There are two kinds of people out there. You have those who have tailgates, and then you have those who use their tailgates. It's up to you to decide which one you want to be. And hear me out, this is not just for overlanders and off-roaders, this is for anyone that owns a truck. What's the difference? I'm glad you asked. This is my stock tailgate cover for my 2024 Tacoma, and these are some pretty average items you would place on your tailgate, and well, let's just say it is less than optimal to place things that you actually will use. Oh look, one stayed, a little offset. Yeah, they just fall over. This thing not only is terrible to place things on, it's non-functional in the sense of having to climb into your tailgate because it destroys your knees. It is not fun by any means at all. And this is the tailgate cover from my 2020 Tacoma. And this is an aftermarket cover from SnailArmor, and it is absolutely incredible. The entire thing is useful, as you can see here. I'm just placing things wherever I want, and they all stand up on their own. Very useful. I've had this thing on here for 5 years, and it's showing minimal wear, which is really impressive because I beat the bejesus out of this thing. Now, luckily, SnailArmor just came out with their brand new 4th gen Tacoma tail cover. And like I said, this is not just for overlanders and not just for off-roaders. This is for everyone. If you have a tailgate and you want to get the full functionality out of it, this right here should be in your arsenal. And also, look at these amazing graphics. I got my logo with the topo here, and it looks absolutely incredible. Even if you ate crayons as a kid, you can definitely get this install done in no time at all with very simple hand tools. All you need is a number 2 screwdriver and a drill, and you will be on your way. In your bag of hardware from SnailArmor, you have this T30 bit. We're gonna load it right into the driver here, and we're gonna remove all but 2 of these screws. We're gonna leave this one, and that's it. And now all we're left with is a handful of T30 screws, and this one in this corner and this one in this corner are still left in place. Next, we're gonna take our provided cover plate here, and this is gonna line up on the back edge with all of the open holes, looking down and lining up. Before we lay this down, you have to check for 2 things. 1, make sure the logo is up, and 2, make sure the holes are beveled in the proper direction. The back side should be flat, and the front side should have a bevel or a divot to it where the screws are gonna countersink and be flush into the panel. Now make sure you do your best to lay this on there without disturbing the plastic filler plate below. You don't want those holes to get off alignment. It's just gonna be that much harder to get the bolts back in to screw everything down. Next, we're gonna open up our bag of SnailArmor hardware, and there's 14 screws going into the panel. And I'm definitely gonna be using a number 3 screwdriver and not the drill because the chances of me stripping this out are really high. These are all going into plastic, and you don't want to over tighten them. Okay, seriously, let's not overcomplicate this. It looks good, it's functional, it's got my custom logo on here, and it's super affordable. I really don't know what else you could ask for out of a tailgate because this makes it perfect. I hope you guys liked this install video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Best way to support the channel is to buy Adventure Belt merch, and I will see you guys next time.